Hey everybody, this is Julia McNamara from the Global Executive Network, broadcasting live with Action Spot in San Jose. And today we're bringing you Aslan Alakulev, and he's going to talk to us about opportunities in the Asian oil and gas market. Aslan, do you want to take it away? Thank you.
Thanks, Julia. Hi, everybody. And I wanted to introduce our company. It's named International Seismic Data Processing Corporation, and we do oil and gas research, and we also can detect water, and we do it in a new way, different from the companies that exist on this market. And if you allow me, I will tell you a little more about our company first. And we've got a technology based on dozens of years of experience, already patented in the United States, and it changes the rules of the games in the oil and gas exploration industry. First, I would like to tell how it works now. Right now, there is such a technology called 3D seismic that exists for more than over 50 years. And it's very conventional for the industry. And it uses specific equipment that creates vibrations and sends signals, waves to the ground. And it gets reflected by liquid layers that are present. Some of them are hydrocarbons, and some of them are water, and specific sensors, they record reflected waves coming from the ground. And this is how the existing technology works. And we are actually different. We use liquid layers as an active source. What does that mean? Our technology is based on the lunar influence. So it means when the moon is in a specific position to the Earth and the Sun, it causes tides. And in addition to tides, it causes seismic resonances. It means that liquids beneath the ground, they start to vibrate at specific frequencies. And we measure that frequencies and make conclusions what is present there beneath the ground, and that makes us different. So we can identify exactly what is present there beneath the ground. Is it water, is it oil or gas? And we can say at what depth and what is the thickness of reservoirs that are present beneath the ground. And that is what makes us different, that the conventional technology called 3D seismic cannot do all of this. It can only guess at the time when we can exactly see hydrocarbons and water beneath the ground. Yeah, this is small introduction of our technology. And we've got pretty small but prominent team that consists of 15 employees, and we are focused on the American market now. We've got several tests already proven outside the United States, and the United States is the new market for us. And we are focused on Oklahoma and Texas next year, and that is where we are standing now. We are also very interested in the Asian market, as you mentioned. But you know that the market is going down now in oil and gas, and of course it's not easy to predict what's going on there and when it will come to some final points, but we hope that it won't take much time and it will recover in several months, and we'll see. This is what we have for now. Probably you might have some specific questions on the markets, what has been changed, or some specific questions.
Yes, so going forward, I mean, where do you think, and I know it's hard to say, right, given Corona, but where do you think the opportunities are?
Well, when the prices went down, the new opportunities come for the companies that improve the efficiency of production and exploration. And at this point, we are a company that improves the efficiency of oil and gas exploration. And also, I think that it's a good chance for the startups that improve the process of oil and gas production as well, because the prices drop down, and it is very important to improve the efficiency of all technologies, because the conventional technologies, they are not new at all. So I think that's a good moment for oil and gas startups right now.
And where do you think a lot of the activity has been outside of the US? You did touch on a couple of markets, but tell us about some of the work you've seen or some of the interesting developments you've seen outside the US in terms of oil and gas and technology.
I must say that mostly oil and gas startups are based in Houston. The reason is that the United States started to produce oil recently, and also fracking is used for oil and gas production. And so mostly within the last 5 years, new projects emerged, and lots of them were pretty successful. Also, another reason why they appeared in the United States is that we've got pretty good investment climate here for such kind of projects, and its time to market is very low compared to other countries, and less barriers for starting to make business. That's why most of such companies, they are located in the United States, not outside.
Okay, great. So just to sort of wrap up, thank you. I think this is super interesting to our audience. And in terms of the reasons that we've done this lunchtime learning series is to help also promote entrepreneurs during this challenging time. So can you just give us a quick read off the best way to contact you? Is it LinkedIn or Facebook or your website, please, if you could give that to us? And we're going to wrap up. And what else can we do to help you aside from, we're trying to broadcast this to a larger audience?
Well, we are interested in growing of our business developers network. So if anyone knows where our technology can be applied, probably some oil and gas deposits or specific needs in water detection for farmers, the governmental needs, or some other specific needs such as construction companies. We would like to discuss such opportunities with these companies, or business developers.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, and our website is seismicdataprocessing.com, and just allow me to share one slide if possible.
Please.
I will show exactly how our technology can be compared to 3D seismic. I think it's much better to show once instead of saying 1,000 words. This is how 3D seismic results of 3D seismic explorations look like. So we've got some idea of structure of landscape, what is there beneath the ground on the left side, but we can only guess what is present there and where it is not present on the dark layers. But what we do exactly, we just can say, we can see hydrocarbons, we can say where exactly they are located, at what depth, what is the thickness of reservoir, and this is what we do. And it increases the success rate of drilling from conventional 25% to 90–95%. As you taking into account that drilling costs really lots of money, especially offshore, where our technology works as well. Let me show you. So our technology works offshore, onshore, and even on ice. So it can save hundreds of thousands of dollars for companies on each location, drilling location.
No, it's amazing. The visuals help a lot.
Yeah, definitely, probably that's what I should have started with. Yeah. So this is what we do, and thank you, Julia and Olga, for allowing me to introduce our company today as well. And thank you for the interesting questions.
Yes, thank you. No, we appreciate it. This looks really interesting, and we look forward to helping you raise your profile. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you, and I will send some links after the meeting then.
Fantastic.